prayer is meant to act as a complement to prudent action, not as a replacement. Some people think of prayer as a magic wand to solve all problems, or as a mystical shield to guard against all problems. However, Gita wisdom doesn't endorse prayer in any way as a replacement for practical action. Those who, for example, in the pandemic claim that if they are praying, they will be protected from infection just because of their praying, often end up getting infected and causing infection to all those who had come to congregate for praying. The Gita stresses that prayer is meant to complement prudent action, not replace prudent action. This principle that while being prayerful, we need to take responsibility, we need to act responsibly, thoughtfully, expertly, is demonstrated in the Gita itself. On encountering the universal form, Krishna, Arjuna offers spontaneous prayers filled with emotion and erudition. This is all narrated in the 11th chapter, where 11:15 to 31 describe Arjuna's vision of the universal form, and then 36 to 46 verses in the 11th chapter describe Arjuna's prayers. So within those prayers, for example, Arjuna acknowledges that the divine is omnipresent and omniscient, and thus he offers prostrated obeisances in all directions. Namaha purastadatha prushtataste namostute sarvata eva sarva ananta viryamita vikramastam sarvam samapnoshi tatosi sarvaha. I offer you obeisances from the front and behind. I offer you obeisances from all directions. All you who are filled with unlimited power, ananta virya mita vikramastvam. Your achievements are inexhaustible. You pervade everything, and thus you are everything. Sarvam samapnoshi tatosi sarvaha. And though Arjuna prays to the divine and acknowledges the omnipotence of the divine, he doesn't in any way imagine that such prayer alone will protect him in the subsequent war. He picks up his bow in readiness to fight, as depicted in the conclusion of the Gita, 1878, Yatra Partho Dhanurdharaha. He has picked up his bow. And in the subsequent Kurukshetra war, Arjuna is seen to fight diligently using all his archery skills. He never once presumes that just his prayerful attitude will protect him from all danger or exempt him from the responsibility to use his archery ability fully and resourcefully. So if prayer does not replace prudent action, then why do we need to pray at all? What does prayer do? It complements prudent action by providing us composure, concentration and connection. Composure, whenever we do something challenging, our mind often worries about and obsesses over the things that are not in our control. Praying reminds us that those things beyond our control are not entirely out of control. They will be managed by intelligence far bigger than ours. Concentration. Once we entrust things beyond our control to the divine through prayer, we are also reminded by prayer to wholeheartedly do our part and concentrate on that. The Bhagavad Gita states that we all are parts of the divine. Mamaivamsho jiva loke jiva bhutah sanatanaha. And as the parts of the divine, each one of us has to play our part using all our God-given abilities and resources. Connection. Prayer makes us spiritually grounded and connected. Thereafter, whatever we do and whatever result we get from what we do, success or failure, we go through it in a way that increases our spiritual self-understanding and helps us improve ourselves, emerge better, thereby progressing toward becoming the best we can be and fulfilling our ultimate destiny. Thank you.